Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a Facebook advertisement for your affiliate link. Now, first, you're going to want to get your affiliate link, whether it's off Amazon right here. We have a download 2 free audiobooks to Audible. You're going to get that banner or get your link, embed it on your website, put it somewhere on a nice landing page on your website so that people can get directed to that, because it is hard to sometimes when you post affiliate links on Facebook, it doesn't approve the advertisement. So you can try to, but most of the time it's better to just embed it on your website and then lead people to your affiliate link on your website. Because what Facebook says is that you have to have a functional landing page. So when you lead them to an affiliate link, sometimes Facebook takes that as not being like a functional landing page. So make sure to embed that on your website. And then once you have your affiliate link or your website, you're going to want to make your ad. Okay. So we're going to go here. We're going to go to, you could either go to your business manager, but actually I'm just going to go, because I run all my ads through my business manager. So we're just going to go to ads manager and then create ad. Okay, and now we're here at create ad. So what's our marketing objective? Are we trying to build engagement? Is this for a skincare product where maybe engagement would be more important, to have people share your advertisement? Or is it to something like a free audiobook download on Audible? That I just would preferably just do traffic. So let's just do traffic. Okay. And also, I don't want to leave out lead generation. If you're trying to collect emails to upsell people on multiple books, right, then you would want lead generation, because then you could get multiple emails and then constantly run emails every week about new books that you're reading in a certain type of niche. Okay. But for now, we're just going to do traffic because we are doing the Audible campaign, and we'll just go continue because we want as many people going to our website as possible. So this is going to be for Audible, right? 2 free audiobook downloads. Maybe make it towards a niche like making money online, right? So you can create a website where it's the most exclusive millionaire books in entrepreneurship or in making money online, get access, right? So who's going to want those types of deals? Well, on Facebook, surprisingly, 75% of Facebook users during the daytime are stay-at-home moms, stuff like that. Moms that work from home. So I've found that they're very interested in this type of stuff. So we want to target them, as well as people that are younger, maybe fresh out of high school, in college, to maybe 35 years old, that are interested in entrepreneurship and making money online. So let's go ahead and target that. We're going to go with the United States. We can also add more locations. I'm going to put in Canada, and I will also put in the United Kingdom. Okay, and we could do those 3 countries. I found that United States and Canada get the most engagement. United Kingdom gets a little bit lower engagement, but that's fine. Age range, we're gonna go 16 to 35. Okay, we don't want anything over that for this niche, for this particular niche. Actually, we could do 40 since we are doing men and women, especially stay-at-home moms. Demographics, let's just do entrepreneurship since we're promoting those types of books, right? We're being very specific on our niche. Entrepreneurship books, making money online, entrepreneurship, business, self-employment, small business owners, startup company, marketing, online advertising, and we'll leave it at that. Okay, So we'll keep it broad for our first type of Facebook advertisement. We'll keep it broad, but maybe we'll create another and we'll narrow that audience. We'll narrow it to people who've heard of Tony Robbins, right? Who've heard of Gary Vaynerchuk. These are all people that have written business and entrepreneurship books, right? We have Tim Ferriss, The 4-Hour Work Week, Think and Grow Rich, Robert Kiyosaki, Grant Cardone, right? So it's going to target people who are interested in these types of interests, but have also heard of these authors. So they're going to be more open to reading these types of books. Seth Godin, that's another good one. Okay, Napoleon Hill, Russell Brunson. So if they've heard of any of these types of authors, you're going to want to drive them to your website with this 2 free audiobooks. I mean, who's going to pass that up? So we'll put that in there. We'll go ahead. You can save this audience if you want. Then I want you to go to edit placements. Since we're running a still advertisement, just one picture, we're going to do Facebook and Instagram. But we're going to open up Facebook, and we only want this in the feeds, okay? You only want to show this in the main feed. You don't want it on the side or on instant articles. You don't want it on the right column, so unclick those. You're going to want it in Facebook feeds and Instagram, okay? And if you don't want to do Instagram, if you want it to just be on Facebook, you could do that as well. That's what I usually suggest. I would run a separate ad for Facebook, separate ad for Instagram, since they both have different features. Like on Instagram, you could only see the first 2 lines of the actual advertisement, where on Facebook, you can see, 5 lines. So unless your call to action is right up at the top, you can do both. But if not, then I would run a different ad for Instagram. But we'll keep it for now. Daily ad budget, I suggest starting off small. Start off small, then scale up, okay? We're in the game for the long run. We don't want to blow our bank right off the bat. Okay, so let's scale up as we get more data. As we see, what age ranges, what gender, what region, which country are they coming from, what device are they using. So then we could recreate this ad and then scale it up, $10 to $20, $30 a day, depending on the results, okay? Link clicks, that's fine. Okay, let's continue. You're going to want to choose the page that represents the advertisement, okay? If you're running it from your business page, your niche, right? The niche you created, your blog site, whatever, make sure it's that page, okay? For now, we'll just do, we'll just pretend like it's mine, okay? And the Instagram account also will do mine. I'm going to click single image because that's what the type of ad we're going to run, just an image. And you could show, you can create any type of image. Usually, like on Max Bounty, they give you an image to use, so you can use the image that they give you. For this one, I don't think we can use this for Facebook advertising because Audible, I didn't read the actual description to see, but usually Audible will be running ads themselves, so they don't want you to run ads for them with your business page name, right? They only want to be running their own ads. So what you do is you make like a book club of your own, right? And then you have an Audible download link in your website, okay? You see what I'm saying there? So we don't want to be portrayed as Audible. We want to be portrayed as our own affiliate marketing business, our own book club, what have you, and then put the affiliate link to Audible in there. So let's just do a single image, and you could choose any image you want, whether it be off Pexels.com or you create one in Canva that kind of relates to making money online, or a book club, right? And there's plenty of different niches we've talked about. I'm just doing this one because it was the first one I thought of. and then you put your website URL. So we're going to put, let's just pretend ryanhildreth.com. Okay. And once you have your URL, it's going to pull up. Boom. Right there. Okay. That's funny. It pulled up an actual picture from the site. That's okay. So headline is going to be, let's see. When you type out your headline, it's funny because the headline is actually on the bottom. Okay. So you can, what I would do is put in brackets millionaire online books, millionaire business books for free, right? Because that's a free offer. So you put that in parentheses, kind of a strong hook, right? Millionaire business books for free. And then you're going to want to put, let me move this real quick. And you could put sign up, right? If you want, they could sign up to your email list, whatever it may be. You just want them to click on the link to go to your website, okay? So your actual affiliate link is not going to be in the advertisement, because most of the time Facebook won't let you do that. And you don't want to run the risk of, trying to run it and then it doesn't run your ad. So how do you get around that? You put the affiliate link on your landing page, but lead people to your landing page. So pretty easy. Also, we're going to want to put our text in here. Text is going to be up at the top. Let's just make sure. You could say creating an online business from scratch is easier than you think. Here are the 5 books that helped me do so. Okay. And then millionaire business books for free. People click on your link. Pretty strong call to action, right? These are the 5 books that helped me build an online business. You could even put creating a 6-figure online business from scratch is easier than you think. Here are the 5 books that helped me do it. Here's a free link to some books, right? Because you're giving them 2 free audiobooks with your Audible affiliate link. Then you're going to want to go ahead and place your order. I do have a pixel on that website, which I'll show you how to do. I'll actually just jump into that real quick. So the ad was really quick. This is kind of some copy that I would definitely do. So make sure to watch the copywriting video over again to make sure that you're targeting the right audience with your copy. And then so you can grab a pixel off here. You go to Ads Manager, Pixels. Leave this page. Okay, and then you're going to want to set up Pixel. Copy and paste the code. And it gives you the code right here. Okay, and with HostGator, it's super easy. You're just going to grab this code and embed it into your HTML header, which I could also show you right now just to be real quick. So we grab that code. Okay, and once you're on your website, you're going to want to go here to Manage, go to Advanced, then Site Header HTML. You're going to go ahead and embed your Facebook pixel code into there. You see how I have that pixel code in there? And what the pixel is going to do is it's going to give Facebook data, okay? It's going to give Facebook data. When people click on your advertisement and go on your website, now Facebook is able to see what they're doing on your website and retarget your advertisements to people who are most likely to take that action, whether they're clicking on your affiliate link or they're, buying your product, whatever it may be. Facebook is able to see that on your website when you embed a Facebook pixel code. So make sure to embed a Facebook pixel. It's not absolutely necessary, but it's definitely going to help your ad out a little bit better because it gives Facebook more data to work with. So go ahead and do that. And that's basically it. Running an advertisement, it's not too hard. Very simple. If you need to rewind and kind of walk through this video again, I suggest doing so. And I'll see you in the next one.